Hey guys, this is Kell with Don and Kell's Outdoor Adventure. Tomorrow Don and I are going to be going out on the river, but in advance of that I'm going to get my shoes in shape. My river shoes are falling apart, so I'm going to glue them with some shoe glue, and maybe it can be helpful for you to extend the life of your shoes as well. Gunk a lot into that pocket. Make sure, of course, everything's dry first. And that's it for that. And then I'm going to go ahead and beef these up too. More preventative. And like I said, I've done this like at least a couple of years ago. The only time I wear these is when I go out into the river or the lake, somewhere I'm in the water and I want to protect my feet, but I don't mind trashing up my footwear. Okay, I'll let that one set up. Hit this one. Same kind of wear pattern. Just getting wet and dry and stretched has that effect. I never wear the treads out on these shoes. It's always the uppers. Well, here the leather's actually starting to tear, so this will help prevent that. These shoes run around 90 bucks. That's why I'm pushing to get extra life out of them. They're really good, but they do cost. That'll hold that into place. And then I'll weight this and stabilize it so that this thing can all hold it down where I want it. The finished product of those sandals. Seams where they were coming apart and tearing, filled them up with shoe goo is what it's called. This product here really works good. I've used it over the years. Gets extra life out of your shoes. And it's weighted up to cure overnight, and we'll take it out tomorrow and put it back into the test.